Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Fight fans, in today's video, we'll be discussing how to buy UFC tickets online in 2023. The Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC, is the world's premier mixed martial arts organization. And attending a live UFC event is an incredible experience. To make sure you don't miss out on the action, we'll guide you through the process of purchasing your tickets online. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you or you have. So open your preferred web browser and type in this URL section ufc.com and hit the enter button. That will take you right away to the home screen or homepage of UFC. Navigate to the events option section where you will find information about incoming UFC events and ticket sales. As an example, as you can see, you'll find here events, ranking, athletes in news, and UFC 13th, Connect, Watch, Shop. And as we said, we'll have to go into this event. Of course, if you scroll down here, you'll find a lot of information if you want to know. So you can always scroll down here and see whatever you want or check for more information. For us, we'll simply hover this ticket option. And as you can see, or events option, as you can see, you'll find upcoming, past tickets, VIP experiences, group sales, international fight week. So you can start by, as an example, checking for the upcoming events as an example. You can see those are the fights that are coming, and you can even load more fights. If you check or see whatever fight you want to watch, as you can see, you'll find the tickets of it here. Not every fight has the tickets because the tickets may finish. So a lot of people have booked their tickets and there's no ticket left, so you'll not find it. If there is some tickets, you'll find this tickets option and you will be able to buy it. If you didn't find any tickets here and you want it so bad, of course you will find it in online and other websites, but it's going to be pretty expensive than this website or the official website. Of course, you can also go here to events and click on tickets, and that will take you kind of to the same page. As you can see, same fights looks here, but with a difference that any option there is not here the tickets option. Here you'll find this option with VIP experience. Of course, it's going to be a lot expensive than the buy tickets normal one, but you will be able to do it. So let's just close one and let's try to buy tickets of this fight as an example. So if there is an interruption here, so let's just go back. And of course, if you keep getting this interruption, as you can see, as you were browsing, sometimes about your browser made us think you were a bot. There are some few reasons this might happen. You are a power user moving through this website with a superhuman speed. Or you've disabled the JavaScript in your web browser, or a third-party browser plugin such as Ghostry or NoScript is preventing JavaScript from running. If you keep getting this problem, you can change the browser as an example. You can go to the usual one or default one, which is Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for Windows users, and that problem should disappear. So for us, we would just go back. And of course, once the the problem is solved, you'll find this option right here. I just click on the VIP packages because the tickets option are disabled now or something like that. I cannot click on it, but as you can see, this will include the tickets as well with this VIP package. So as you can see, this VIP package, as an example, will get you the tickets plus this souvenir, sorry. So let's just go back. I clicked by mistake. And this will get you a ticket plus hospitality, and this will get you a ticket plus hospitality. And of course, you can even meet and greet. Of course, every plan or every ticket comes with its own features. As you can see, this will get you official UFC tickets, a section from this to this level, dedicated VIP entrance, UFC credential and lanyard, reserved seats and ceremony wait ends. And of course, as you can see, you will find all the other options here. If you want to find more details, you can click on this reserved seats at ceremony wait ends and simply click on whatever ticket you would like to get. As an example, this one here, they will actually ask you whatever place you would like to get. For as an example, all the gray options are already taken and you cannot sit there. So there is just this options that's available on the blue and yellow. So let's say, for example, we would like to set here. So as you can see, let's just select the tickets from here. And as you can see, number of tickets, we would like just one. So click on add to shopping cart. And here you are. You'll find it in your cart. You can continue shopping if you want to add more tickets. And if you don't want to, you can simply click on checkout. Once you click on checkouts, as you can see here, you'll have to simply log in into your account if you have one. So simply enter your email address, then password. If you forgot your password, make sure to click on this forgot password option, then click on login into your account. If you don't have an account, you can always click on create an account and checkouts. It's very simple. If you click on it here, as you can see, you'll have to simply enter your first name, last name, email address, confirm the email address, add the password, and confirm it. Then check this option if you are not a robot. Then check this two option if necessary. Then click on create an account. Of course, if you have any coupon code, you can apply it here to get a discount if you have one. Then you can also always review your tickets from here. So you selected as an example the event and choose your seating preferences. You will have to ensure you get the seats you want. So you will have to review the seating charts provided on the website, and it will give you an overview of the venue and help you make an informed decision on seat selection. You'll have to select the desired section of the area, as I showed you before. And then once you proceed to this checkout option, of course, that's after creating your account. You will have to review, as I said, those ticket selection and any additional options or upgrade you've chosen. Double check the details and proceed to checkout. And of course, you'll have to provide the necessary personal and payments information to complete the purchase. UFC's online ticketing platforms accepts various payments methods, including credit cards and digital wallets, and a lot of other stuff. As you can see, there's the step of creating account, payments information, then review and purchase. If you click on any of those, you'll not be able to unless you pass the first step, which is creating your account. And as I said, there is not just this option. You can even go and get more tickets before even connecting into your account. If you're getting any issues, you can always give them a call and they will help you with do so. Of course, they have even the option to contact them, which will let you do so. And of course, here you will find other fights if you want to, and you'll normally be good to go. So congratulations, you've successfully learned how to buy UFC tickets online in 2023. Of course, by visiting the official UFC website, exploring upcoming events, selecting your desired events, choosing your seating preferences and ticket type, reviewing the seat charts, and completing the purchase, you can secure your spot at a thrilling UFC event. Thank you for watching and enjoy the action-packed fights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more sports and entertainment content. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.